Today, I am reviewing the MINISFORUM Mini PC 880 Mauritanian UGIAs Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of a massive desktop tower taking up all your desk space, but you are not ready to sacrifice performance for a laptop, the MINISFORUM 880 Mauritanian UGIAs Plus might be the answer you have been looking for. I have been using this unit for a couple of weeks now, and while it is undeniably powerful, it is not a perfect machine for everyone. The heart of this system is the Ryzen 7 8845HS. In my testing, this chip is a beast for productivity. Whether you are running complex Excel sheets, doing light video editing, or just keeping 50 browser tabs open, it doesn't stutter. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM included out of the box is the sweet spot for 2024, and it is nice to see they didn't skimp there. If you want to check the current pricing or see if there is a deal running on it right now, you can find the links below this video. The real headline feature here is the Radeon 780M graphics. It is arguably the best integrated graphics solution on the market right now. For casual gaming, it handles titles like Valorant or League of Legends without breaking a sweat. However, I need to be clear about expectations. If you're hoping to play the latest AAA titles at ultra settings, you're going to be disappointed. It is not a replacement for a dedicated high-end GPU, but it is capable enough for a quick gaming session after work. One thing that genuinely surprised me is the inclusion of the OCuLink port. This is a game changer if you're a power user. By using an external GPU dock, you can essentially turn this tiny box into a full-fledged workstation or a serious gaming rig. It offers much better bandwidth than standard USB 4 or Thunderbolt, which is great for reducing bottlenecks. However, keep in mind that OCuLink is not hot swappable. You have to shut the system down to plug or unplug your external card, which is a bit of a minor annoyance in a daily workflow. In terms of build quality, it feels solid and premium. The port selection is excellent, with enough USB ports to handle a keyboard, mouse, webcam, and external drive without needing a hub. I also appreciate the triple display support, which makes it perfect for a multi-monitor desk setup. The fan noise is noticeable when you push the processor hard, but it is a steady hum rather than the high-pitched whine you get on some other mini PCs. Now, for the downsides. The 512GB SSD is a bit small for a machine this capable. If you are doing any serious work, you will fill that up in no time. While the internal expansion is easy to access, it is an extra cost you should factor into your budget. Also, because this is a compact form factor, the heat management is decent but not exceptional. If you are planning to run this at 100% load 24/7, you might see some thermal throttling after a few hours. Who should buy this? If you are a professional who needs a fast, reliable machine for office work, coding, or light media creation, this is a fantastic choice. It is also great for students who need a portable desktop. If you're looking for the links to explore the specs further, they are right there below the video. Who should avoid it? If you are a hardcore gamer who refuses to use an external GPU, or if you are doing professional 4K video rendering for a living, you should probably stick to a full-size desktop tower. You will get better cooling and more room for upgrades. Overall, the MINISFORUM 880 Mauritanian UGIAs Plus is a high-performance tool that hits a very specific sweet spot. It is powerful, versatile, and well-designed, provided you understand the limits of integrated graphics and the requirements of the OCuLink interface. It is a capable machine, but make sure you have a plan for that extra storage, because you will definitely need it.